You know, one of the things that can seem like a barrier to writing your book is that you may think it's going to be really difficult to distill complex ideas. Um, I'm sure you deal with complex concepts, and it can be challenging to distill them into accessible language for a broader audience. And you want to do justice to your topic, but you just may feel like you're running against this, what seems like an impossibility. Well, let me tell you, it's not. And here are a couple of ways that we work with our clients to help them get over that barrier. First of all, we break down that complexity into smaller, more manageable parts. And rather than doing an outline for your book, we create book maps, which are a visual representation of everything that's going to be in your book. And so you will see how we break down complex ideas into smaller pieces that is easier for you to write and more digestible by your audience. And secondly, we incorporate many, many, many stories and case studies. You know, that's how people learn, through storytelling, and that's also the thing that's going to keep them interested in your book from start to finish. Stories engage your reader and serve as practical examples that can illustrate complex ideas. Case studies are also another way that you can demonstrate what your message is and lead the reader along so that they grasp the full meaning of what you want to communicate to them. It's really not a barrier. Complex issues, we just break them down.